Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today we are going to build a long distance serial communication project for data transfer between two Arduino Nanos. As you can see here, there are two Arduino Nanos, and with each of them is a 16 by 2 alphanumeric LCD is connected so that we can see what the data is being transferred and what the data is being received. This Arduino Nano is working as a transmitter. So as you can see on the 16 by 2 LCD, it's showing the value is being sent by this Nano, and this Arduino Nano is working as a receiver. So as you can see on the LCD, it's showing the received value by this Arduino Nano. Usually the Arduinos employ UART transmission protocol to transfer serial data, but when you want to transfer the data over a long distance, suppose 50 to 100 meters, then UART signals are not powerful enough to maintain their shape when they reach the receiver. So we are going to use RS485 communication protocol to transfer the data over a long distance, and to further reduce the magnetic interference creeping in through the data lines, we are going to use a Cat6e Ethernet cable. As you can see, it's a 25-meter long Cat6e Ethernet cable terminated by RJ45 connectors. And to convert the UART data coming from Arduinos to RS485 data to be transferred to this Cat6e cable, we are using a MAX 485 UART to RS485 converter module. So how is it working? So first, Arduino Nano is sending the data available in UART form to the MAX 485 module, which is then converting the data into MAX RS485 signals, which is then transmitted via this Cat6e cable and then received at the receiver MAX 485 module, which again converts the RS485 signals to UART signals that can be read easily with the Arduino Nanos. As you can see, we are sending some integer values which is increasing by every second. So here this is a transmitter Nano. You can see that the current value is 400, and here received value is 401, as increasing with a second. And as usual, the complete Arduino codes are available in the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and